For a while I had my mower in the shop, and I still haven't replaced the linkages that I'll show you later how loose they are. I also noticed last time it was running and I was near it, I could tell that the one of the bearings sounded kind of crunchy, you know, needing some work. Like that's really smooth right there. This one was not so smooth, so I've replaced the bearings in the spindle and about to put that back in. That's one little thing about the automatic mower. You're not riding on it very often, so you're not kind of in tune with mechanical problems. You know, you can't hear things, so you have to pay more attention. I've learned, you know, check things out when you have it at the shop and all. Just trying to, you know, you just have to pay a little more attention offline, you might say, than what you would if you were riding on it and cutting grass. So just to show you all the linkage problem I have, as if you see, I'm moving the stick a fair amount here, and this linkage is what I built that connects the servo arm to the mechanism that arm's connected to. You can see that servo arm is moving, but it can move quite a bit before this linkage, which is what connects all this down to the transaxle underneath, before it even moves. There's a lot of slack in this joint, and on the other end there's a similar joint on the other end of that rod. It also has a lot of slack in it. So I went to the bad boy dealer here, and on a brand new mower, man, it's tight as can be. I mean, if you just barely touch the stick, it's moving the arm down on the transaxle. So I've got these joints ordered for both ends of both sides, because they're about the same. This side may be a little worse anyway. So I'm excited to think about how that might make tuning a little bit better, make it run, you know, easier to control. We will see. But even though that hasn't come, I've still been running the mower some. I did replace this spindle under here. I think I showed that in the last little clip. Unfortunately, when I put the belt back on, I didn't get it on the pulley on the other side, and so I ran the mower for about, oh man, 5 minutes, and I saw it smoking and smelling like rubber, so I shut it down, and basically I pretty much burned that belt up. And I still did a little mowing. It came off. I've got another belt, got it this morning, just got to put that on there. So when it rains, it pours, but that's the current status of things.